Most people struggle whenever they try a new HRM software. Though BambooHR software can actually make managing your employees much easier, as it's an all-in-one HR platform designed to simplify hiring, onboarding, employee management, and everyday HR tasks. But to get the most out of it, you need to know which features matter, when to use them, and how they can actually save you time. That's exactly what we're covering today. Instead of just showing menus, we'll explain the complete workflow. So let's begin. Let's start with the dashboard. After signing in to BambooHR, you'll land on the home page. Here, at the top of the screen, you'll find the main navigation menu. From here, you can move between Home, My Info, People, Reports, Files, and any other modules your account has access to. So this page basically works as your daily overview. Here you can see company announcements, employees who are out today, upcoming birthdays and work anniversaries, pending approvals, and recent activities. Instead of opening different pages, you can quickly check what's happening across the company from one place. Next, use the search bar at the top. Simply type an employee's name and BambooHR will instantly show matching profiles. This is the fastest way to find someone without browsing through the employee directory. If you click your profile picture, you'll find your personal settings, notifications, and account options. Spend a few minutes exploring each menu before moving on. Now let's manage employee profiles. Open it from the top navigation bar, and you'll see your employee directory. Click on any employee's name to open their complete profile. The profile is divided into different tabs, making information easy to organize. You'll usually find sections for personal details, job information, contact information, employment status, compensation, documents, emergency contacts, notes, training records, and more. Instead of keeping everything in separate spreadsheets, BambooHR stores it all in one place. To add a new employee, click Add Employee and fill in the required details, such as their name, work email, job title, department, manager, hire date, and location. After saving the profile, you can continue adding more information whenever it's available. If an employee changes departments, gets promoted, updates their phone number, or moves to a new address, simply open their profile, select the relevant section, click Edit, update the information, and save the changes. For companies with employees working in different countries, BambooHR also lets you keep location-specific employee information together. Once employee profiles are ready, the next step is organizing everyone inside BambooHR. Open the People section again, where you'll see your complete employee directory. Here, you can sort employees by department, location, manager, job title, or employment status, making it much easier to find the right people. The search bar also helps you locate any employee within seconds. If you need to update several employees at once, select multiple records and use the available bulk actions whenever they're supported. Managers can also view the employees who report directly to them, making it easier to track team members and access their information quickly. As your company grows, keeping everyone organized becomes much simpler because BambooHR groups employee data in one central place. Once your people are organized, you're ready to bring new employees into the company using the hiring tools. Now open the Hiring section from the main menu. The first step is creating a new job opening. Click Create Job, then enter the position title, department, location, employment type, and job description before publishing the opening. As applications start coming in, BambooHR keeps every candidate in one place. Next, go to the job posting to view applicants, review resumes, and check candidate details without switching between different tools. When you find a suitable candidate, move them through each hiring stage. You can update their status from applied to screening, interview, offer, and finally hired. This makes it easy for everyone involved to know exactly where each applicant is in the hiring process. You can also leave notes, share feedback with your hiring team, and keep candidate information organized throughout the recruitment process. Once someone accepts the offer, BambooHR helps transition that candidate into an employee record, reducing the need to enter the same information again. The next step is learning how to turn that data into reports. From the top menu, click Reports. Here you'll find a collection of ready-made reports, along with options to create your own. If you're just getting started, open one of the standard reports first. You can quickly generate reports for employee directories, headcount, birthdays, anniversaries, turnover, length of service, and many other HR records. Simply choose the report you need and BambooHR automatically pulls the available data. If you need something more specific, click Create Report. Now choose the fields you want to include, such as employee name, department, manager, hire date, location, or job title. You can also apply filters to show only certain departments, locations, or active employees. This helps keep your reports focused instead of displaying unnecessary information. You can also update reports whenever you need to share them with your team or keep a copy outside BambooHR. Now let's look at where BambooHR stores important documents. Open the Files section from the main navigation. This is where you can keep HR documents organized. And to upload a file, click Upload, then choose the document from your device. You can upload employee-related files, company policies, handbooks, contracts, offer letters, certificates, and other HR documents. After uploading, give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. To keep everything organized, place documents in the appropriate folders or categories whenever possible. You can also attach files directly to an employee's profile. Simply open the employee's profile, go to the Files tab, upload the document, and save it. If you need a document later, use the search option instead of browsing through every folder manually. Next comes payroll management. Before running payroll, make sure every employee's profile contains accurate information, including job details, pay rate, payment method, tax information where applicable, and employment status. When payroll information is ready, review each employee's earnings for the pay period. Check regular pay, salary details, and any other applicable payments before continuing. Taking a few extra minutes here helps reduce mistakes before payroll is processed. If any employee information is changed, such as a salary adjustment or job update, edit the employee profile first so the payroll information stays accurate. It's always better to update employee records before processing payroll rather than correcting errors afterward. Before completing payroll, review the summary carefully. Double-check that employee details and payment amounts match your records. If everything looks correct, continue with the payroll process according to your company's pay schedule. Finally, let's track work hours. Open the Time Tracking or Time and Attendance section from the main menu. This is where employees can record their work hours, while managers can review timesheets and approve them before payroll. To record time, employees simply clock in when they start work and clock out when their shift ends. If your company uses manual time entry instead, click Add Time, select the correct date, enter the number of hours worked, and save the entry. Everything is automatically added to the employee's timesheet. The Time Off section also works alongside attendance. Employees can submit vacation or leave requests by selecting the leave type, choosing the dates, and sending the request for approval. After using BambooHR, we found that it's designed to keep everyday HR tasks in one place. Even if you're completely new to HR software, the layout makes it simple to learn each feature step by step without feeling overwhelmed. If this tutorial helped you understand BambooHR, let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.